Hi, in this video we are going to see the teaching as well as the non-teaching, nothing but academic vacancies notification from the two different top colleges guys, and here the opportunities are there for the graduation as well as the post-graduation candidates, and the pay scale you are going to get as per the University Grants Commission. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the complete details regarding these advertisements, okay, please watch this video until the end. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Content of the video, so here you may check down. So actually in the thumbnail I kept that from the two different colleges, but here under the BITS Pilani, here we are having the vacancies from Bengaluru, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Mysore, Kochi and Pune. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from the 8 different campuses, that means within this college total 9 campuses are there. That means total from the 9 colleges, here the guest faculty vacancies are there. And here the opportunities are also available for suitably qualified professionals, especially from industry and with a passion for academics to participate the part-time instruction during the evenings or else the weekends along with suitable honorarium. Such an engagement will also provide opportunity to interact with our regular faculty on and off campus and to participate in activities related to curriculum design and the content development. Coming to the subject areas, computer science, software engineering, mechanical engineering, manufacturing engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, as well as the management. Fine. So if you belongs to any one of this department, and if you are having only post graduation, PG plus UGC NET or the PhD, just simply try to apply guys. And here the two online applications are there. One is for the guest faculty and the other one is for the guest faculty or the BITS Pilani faculty or the staff managing the guest faculty. Fine. So I mean if you are not the BITS Pilani faculty, then just click on this click here and then it will be directed to this one. If you don't have the email and the password, click on the sign up and then it will ask you the few details. Okay, so you have to fill up all these details guys. Okay, already have an account, then click on the sign in. Okay, if you don't have any account, type the email address and then type the password and then type the password again and then click on the sign up. Then your email ID as well as, I mean, it acts like a user ID and a password. Okay, with both these two you can start filling up of the online application form guys. So really it is a wonderful opportunity. Okay, you can utilize this opportunity. Why? Because here the opportunities are there from the multiple colleges and the multiple campuses. Okay, and next one is it is Jaipur National University. So from this one, here we got few vacancies guys, okay, that you may check down here. Current openings, applications are invited for the registrar. So for this one actually the PhD is required. And while coming to the applications are invited for the deputy registrar. So here postgraduate or the graduate with 5 to 7 years of experience in reputed university with good communication skill and the computing skills. So interested candidates should apply within 7 days along with the detailed CV and a recent passport size photograph and the self-attested copies of the mark sheet and certification or testimonials to the following address. If you are having any queries regarding this one, here the contact number is also provided, so you may contact to this one, or else here the email ID is also provided. You may send your query to this email ID. And if you are interested and eligible to this one, then click on the apply now and then you will be directed to the online application form. So you have to fill up all these details and upload your resume and then click on the submit button. Fine. And anyhow, we will check the remaining vacancies also. So next one is COE, deputy COE and the examination in charge. So graduate with 3 to 5 years of experience with good communication as well as computing skills along with the knowledge of examination and ERP system. And interested candidates, same, you have to apply within 7 days along with the detailed resume guys. And here the contact number is given as well as mail ID is also provided. And coming to the next one, applications are invited for the IT manager, assistant manager as well as a technician. So here the MCE or BTech CSIT diploma with relevant experience in their respective field. And here the application last date is also given here, 31st May 2021. So interested candidates may send their resume, passport size photograph, and the self-attested copies of mark sheets and certification to this provided, to this following address. Fine. And here the email ID is also given here, and the contact number is also given here. So if you're having any queries regarding this one, then you will contact them, guys. And coming to the next one here, I missed is applications are invited for the personal assistants or office assistants or the data entry operator telecaller. So graduate with 2 to 3 years of experience with good communication skill, knowledge of English as well as Hindi typing. And interested candidates may apply within 7 days along with the CV and with the recent passport size photograph and the self-attested copies of mark sheets. Fine. So total these are the details, guys, regarding the academic vacancies or else the non-teaching vacancies from the Jaipur National University. And next one, the guest faculty or else off-campus programming guest faculty vacancies in the BITS college, guys. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs, and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay, so the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail, by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.